Hi Joe, this is the narrow web nozzle wash chamber system I was telling you about. We have three liquid lines going in from the pumping cabinet. We have the ink supply, we have ink return going back to the pumping cabinet, and we have high pressure nozzle wash. The chamber is built of all inert components, and it's meant for no operator intervention. We're using quad air loading cylinders mounted on an Armalloy shaft with recessed linear bearings for the loading. We lubricate our end seals with solvent or water, and whenever the chamber is engaged, the end seal is being lubricated. The chamber is permanently mounted and aligned and pinned. Inside of the chamber, this ink comes in, drain valve is closed, and then it exits through the highest point in the chamber, and again goes back to the return pump. To change blades and seals, it's simply a matter of two toggle clamps. Put the chamber back, remove the old blade, put a new blade in. As you can see, there's two rows of high pressure nozzle washes here to clean the bottom of the cell in the analyzer. Blades in, positive pins are stopping it at the end, and we have an O-ring as well inside. So you clip the two blades, put it back in position, lock it into place, and you're good to go. Here's an 8-color pumping station, two separate cabinets, vertically mounted. The pump plate assembly is repeated 8 times, and from here what we do is we return from the chamber to the return pump, back through some directional valves, and returning back to the kit. From the supply, being pulled up from the supply pump through an accumulator to prevent surge suppression, and going back to the chamber from there. This is repeated 8 times, and these valves are all automated depending on whether it's a wash up or a run mode. Both pumps are electronically controlled and shuttled, so there's a predetermined ratio between supply and return, so the operator doesn't have to adjust the balance. The end seal lubrication and viscosity controls are originated here as well. We share one common high pressure wash up pump for all 8 stations, and we're using valves to open and close that and deliver the nozzle wash. Solvent or water is coming here from the source. The operator interface is provided from a touch screen. Any station can be controlled. Just to begin the run, you start the ink, the station comes online. You can change pump speeds with a push of the button, and that will adapt to the pump speed. You can look at diagnostics for each station and determine the run state and valve positioning. And we also have viscosity controls that's controlled within the pumping system and a constant maintenance system.